Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to make a game pass on Roblox Studio. First, open the Roblox Studio application on your PC. On the right corner, you'll find the Explorer panel. Find and click on the Starter GUI option and a Starter GUI will pop up. If it's not showing here, you can also search for Screen GUI. Inside the Screen GUI, you'll insert a frame. Next, you need to adjust the frame by dragging it on full screen. Set the transparency to 0 and click on the plus icon next to the frame. In the drop-down menu, select the text button and place it in the left center. After that, hit the plus icon next to the text button and search for UI corner. Now, edit and add 2 UI strokes by searching them. By clicking on text button, you'll find all of its options and you can adjust them. Similarly, click on UI corner and adjust the corner radius to 0.70. In UI stroke, choose the border and increase the thickness of white edges. In the text button, click on the border corner and select the color. In the font face, choose the font style and enter the text in the text option for the button. Following that, choose the text color and increase the text size. Then click on the plus icon next to the text button and choose the local script option. Here, add the code as shown here and you need to change the number which would be your Game Pass ID. Tap the Game Pass button, click on it and it'll start your game. You can click on play or run given at the top to control the game. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.